So I'm back and we vlogging again, y'all. So I think I want to do a DIY project, and of course I'm gonna take y'all with me. And what do I want to DIY? Well, the girls have found a hack on the internet and I keep seeing it up and down my timeline, and now I want to try it. So I want to make these sandals that you see right here. I guess there's a thumbtack and Old Navy sandal way to make them, and I'm here for it. Y'all know I'm kind of reluctant a lot of times to do fashion things that are viral because I don't like looking like nobody else. Like, no offense, but I don't want to be none of y'all. I want to be me, and I like my own style. But these are pretty fire, and I have a bag that will go perfect with these sandals. So let's go get all the things that we need. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need is sandals, and all of the girls are getting them from Old Navy. You just gotta size up on whatever size you need. Got 3 colors because, you know, I be trying to be different. Sandals secured. These sandals were $4.99. Remember when Old Navy sandals used to be $2.99? Ain't that no more. Next up, Hobby Lobby, because we need to get these thumbtacks. So I'm gonna go in here and see, you know, what they got, because I want to get multiple colors. I don't want to just do like just the silver. I want to do like silver and gold, or bronze, or something of that nature. But let's go. Thank you. And thank you. Oh, once again, bag has been secured, so now it's time to go home and make the dang things. So here go the first pair. I used the silver thumbtacks on these beige sandals here. I did the 2 rows of the thumbtacks, so 1 all the way in the bottom and then 1 in the middle. Now here goes the brown pair. Now these ones, I liked how they looked with just the 1 row around, so I left it like this. I didn't add it. I actually started to add the 2nd row, as you can see right here where the little holes are, and then I took them out because I liked it better like this. And y'all heard what I said in the beginning. I said I like to be a little bit different, so these ones I did add the thumbtacks. Instead of the 2nd row, I added the thumbtacks on the back, just the back. I was gonna do it all the way around, but then I was like, no, it gives it a little pizzazz with it just being on the back. Here is the 3rd pair, and as you can see, nothing is done to them because I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on. Super easy, super simple, doesn't take rocket science. You just pick up the thumbtack and stick it in the sandal, but you know, some people need to see anyway, so let me show you real quick. So real easy, all you do is take the thumbtack, and wherever you want to place it, you place it. So I'm gonna start right here on the side, and bow, just like that. And then you just place them wherever you want to. I'm gonna place them fairly close to each other, a little bit of space like that, and then you just keep on going just like that all the way around until you get something like this. You could either leave it like this or add another row, but I'm gonna add another row. And this is what your sandal should look like when it's done, and then you just gotta do the other one to match. I did do this one a little bit different than this one. As you can see, the thumbtacks are a little bit more spaced out. These ones are closer together because I wanted this one, the black ones, to look as close to the originals as possible. And the original ones, they were a lot closer together versus this one. So I like how this looks. So we gonna get the other ones popping over here. And boom, just like that. We got a look. We got all 3 sandals completely done. Super cute. Now I gotta go to the store and get me some white ones because I'm gonna do it all over again. And also shout out to Miss Danielle Lauren for posting all of the unnecessary things that we don't need and we still buy them anyway, because she posted this bag from TikTok and I bought it, ain't used it or wore it once because I had nothing to match it. But look at now, we got a whole little situation here. We got a little matchy situation, so I cannot wait to put a little outfit together with this. Our fashion is going down all summer.